Alright, so how to use this video's how to use the screen recorder, BSR screen recorder. You'll want to change the hotkey options because I do believe some of the options conflict with the call controller. So once you've double clicked on the QSR, file, you get this screen that comes up. You'll want to set your screen to full screen mode by selecting your down arrow here, and then that'll record this full screen. You can also go to change your hotkey settings, you go to File, Options, Hotkey Options, select that, and then your hotkey option screen will come up. You'll want to set it to what we've done here. And really the main keys you'll need to use are Alt-I, so you hold down the Alt key and press I a couple times and it will zoom in on the area closest to your mouse, and Alt-O will zoom out. So generally speaking, if you want somebody to read the fine print or let's say a web address or something like that, you'll want to zoom in briefly so they can see it, and then you can zoom out to the whole screen. I've set mine to begin with Alt-12, so once you press the record screen, then you have to hold down Alt-F12 and the whole screen, everything will start to record. So you can pause it by pressing Alt-P. You can quit the recording by Alt-Q and start recording again by Alt-R. I believe the idea is you can pause it, do what you got to do, come back and start it up again. I think you do that by pressing Alt-P for pause, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Hold down the Alt key, I press. Then all you have to do is hold down the Alt key and F12 after you pause it, and it starts recording where you had left off. So that's pretty easy. Alt-P for pause, and then Alt F12 to begin again. Alright, so once you finish recording, you'll press the Alt Q or stop recording up here. Alt Q works pretty well. You're going to get a pop-up that's going to say for high definition. I think you close that one, just ignore it. And then you want to do a save as. And you can save it in a directory. I've created a directory called training, but the whole idea is that you're going to store the AVI file, which is the video file, on your local hard drive, and then you're going to upload it to YouTube. That'll be a separate video. So for that, Alt Q, and I'm finished recording.